I'm Mary Evelyn McKee, and I am the interior designer for the Flower Showhouse for 2021 in historic Briarfield, Alabama. Let me show you around. We're in the master bath now. The flooring here is by Crossville Tile, and it is called Altered States in Steel Gaze, which is a wonderful blue-gray with some oxidization in it. Also, in the master shower, we used a different color of the same tile, Altered States, on the walls, and then a lotus blossom mosaic on the floor, bench, and ceiling. In the master bathroom, we used heart pine on the sink vanity, which was crafted into custom cabinetry, and the Wallace sconce from Curry & Company, which is made of rope, twisted, made a perfect complement to the natural finish on the heart pine. I'm sitting on the creekside bench by Curry & Company. It's made of concrete, and it's a wonderful texture in this bathroom. All together with the heart pine tub decking, it makes a wonderfully textured bathroom. We have the bevelot lanterns, and you can light a candle after a long day walking in the fields.